Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use laptop to scan Wi-Fi QR code. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you're gonna need to do is to search for scan QR code. Now click the scanqr.org. Now after that, drag the image of the QR code. Now it will give us the result of the QR. Now go over to your settings and go to your network and internet. Click Wi-Fi and then click the Manage No Networks. Now click the Add Network. Now for the network name, just copy this after the S. This will be the name of our network. Now paste it. Now for the security type, go over for the second one. And for the password of the network, just copy this one. Now paste it. You can check to connect automatically if you want and then save. Now go over to our Wi-Fi and then we can try it to connect if it works. And then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.